Let's mosey on into the kitchen, shall we? First, you'll need a gallon of whole milk. Be sure it's not ultra-pasteurized. Stir in 1½ teaspoons of citric acid, which you've previously dissolved in 1/4 cup of cool and unchlorinated water. Slowly heat the milk on medium-low until it reaches 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of liquid Rennet or a Rennet tablet, diluted in 1/4 cup of cool, unchlorinated water. Stir gently for about 30 seconds, then let the milk sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the milk should have set and resemble a soft gel. Now it's time to cut the curd. Using a knife that reaches the bottom of the pot, cut the curd into 1-inch squares. Gently heat the curds to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring occasionally. Once you've reached the right temperature, remove the pot from the heat and let the curds sit for about 5 minutes to further firm up. Next, transfer the curds to a microwave-safe bowl, pressing gently to expel the whey. Drain off any excess and then microwave the curds on high for about a minute. Knead the curds gently, but you might want to wear rubber gloves if it's too hot. If the curds are too cool to stretch, then go ahead and microwave them for another 30 seconds. At this point, add a teaspoon of kosher or cheese salt, kneading it into the cheese. Stretch and fold the cheese until it becomes smooth and shiny. Once the cheese is pliable, you can shape it into balls or any shape you fancy. Cool down your freshly made mozzarella in a bowl of ice water to retain its shape. You can eat it immediately or store it in a mixture of its whey and a pinch of salt, covered in the refrigerator for up to a week. Serve your homemade mozzarella with fresh tomatoes, basil, and a drizzle of olive oil for a classic caprese salad, or use it in your favorite dishes that call for mozzarella cheese. Remember, making cheese at home can require a bit of practice, especially when it comes to the stretching stage, so don't be discouraged if your first batch isn't perfect. So there you have it, homemade mozzarella cheese in just 30 minutes. Enjoy the process, savor the result, and stay tuned to Magnolia Moon for more delicious recipes.